introduce myself. My name is Kayla Salsabila. I am a student of the Management Study Program at Bina Sarana Informatika University Sleepy Campus. My student ID number is 64245085 and I am from class 64.1B.24. Today, my presentation will be divided into two parts. In the first part, I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Then, in the second part, I will present material about question word tinang list. I hope this presentation will be useful and easy to understand. Thank you for your attention and let's begin! Okay, for part 1, I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Personally, I believe that smoking should not be allowed on campus. There are several reasons for this. First, smoking is harmful not only to the smoker, but also to others around them. Secondhand smoke can affect students and staff who do not smoke, and it creates an unhealthy environment. Campus should be safe and clean space for everyone to learn and grow. Second, the smell of cigarette smoke can be very unpleasant. It's linger in the air and can make public area uncomfortable for others. This is especially disturbing in places like libraries, hallways, and near classrooms. Lastly, banning smoking on campus can help reduce the number of students who start smoking. It promotes a healthier lifestyle and encourages positive habits. In conclusion, I strongly believe that smoking should be prohibited in the campus area to protect the health and comfort of all students and staff. Thank you for listening. And now, moving on to part 2, I will present the material about question word. Question word. What is question word? Question word are words used at the beginning of a sentence to ask question and get specific information. This question cannot be answered with just yes or no. They need a full answer. Question words are used to ask about 1. Things, like what. 2. People, like who. 3. Place, like where. 4. Time, like when. 5. Reason, like why. 6. Ways or method, like how. 7. Quantity or amount, like how many. 8. Choice, like which. 9. Possession, like whose. And next, characteristic of question word. Point 1. Usually placed at the beginning of the question. Point 2. Follow by a verb or helping verb, like do, does, is, are, will. Point 3. Require a detailed answer, not just yes or no. And next, example sentence. In point 1, what, like apa, used to ask for general information, object, jobs, activity, or fate. Can also be used to ask for definition or explanation. Example, 1. What is your name? Apa namamu? And 2. What do you do? Apa pekerjaanmu? 3. What is the capital of Indonesia? Like apa ibu kota Indonesia? And next, point 2. Who, like siapa, used to ask people as subject or object in sentence. Example, 1. Who is he? Siapa dia? 2. Who are you talking to? Kamu sedang bicara dengan siapa? And next, point 3. Where? Like di mana atau kemana or dari mana. Used to ask about the place or location of an event. Example, what? Where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? And 2. Where are you going? Kamu mau kemana? And next in point 4. When? Like kapan. Used to ask about time, whether past, present, or future. Example, 1. When is the meeting? Kapan rapatnya? And 2. When did you arrive? Kapan kamu tiba? And next in point 5. Why? Like mengapa? Used to ask the reason of cause of something happening. Example, 1. Why are you late? Mengapa kamu terlambat? And 2. Why do you study English? Mengapa kamu belajar bahasa Inggris? And next, in point 6. How? Like bagaimana? Used to ask about the manner, condition, or amount, often combined with other words such as how much, how many, and how old. Example 1. How do you make a cake? Bagaimana cara membuat kue? And 2. How are you? Apa kabarmu? And next in point 7. Which? Like yang mana? Used to ask for a choice between two or more object or people that the speaker already knows. Example 1. Which color do you like? Warna mana yang kamu suka? And 2. Which one is yours? Yang mana punyamu? And next, in point 8, whose? Like milik siapa? Used to ask about ownership of something. Example 1. Whose car is it? Mobil ini milik siapa? And 2. Whose book did you borrow? Buku siapa yang kamu pinjam? And the last point in 9. How many? Like berapa banyak? Countable, noun, bisa dihitung. Used to ask about the number of objects that can be counted as such as a book, people, apple. Example 1. How many pencil do you have? Kamu punya berapa pensil? And example last. How many friends do you have? Kamu punya berapa teman? Okay, that's all for my presentation today. I hope what I share was clear and useful for all of us. Thank you very much for your time and attention. If you have any question or feedback, I will be happy to hear them. And thank you so much for watching and see you the next video.